Now, I request His Excellency Sri Bishwabhushan Harichandranji, Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, to give his message.
Good morning to you all. At the outset, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the school students who have qualified in the state level competition of Kausal 2021, organized by Bharatiya Vigyan Mandali and Andhra Pradesh State Council of Science and Technology. I appreciate the teachers, coordinators, and organizers of Kausal 2021 event. It is very heartening to know that Kausal 2021 is conducted exclusively for government school students of Andhra Pradesh. Kausal 2021 is a great platform to bring out the latent talent of rural students of Andhra Pradesh. The efforts of the guide teachers, Kausal district coordinators, and Kausal state coordinators in conducting an online examination, district level competition, leading finally to the state level competition is highly appreciated. It takes an enormous amount of commitment and dedication on the part of each and every one of them to make this event a success. This program gains more significance as we celebrate the Swatantrata Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the 75 years of gaining independence of our country. We must acknowledge the contribution of our great scientists amidst an environment created by the British to systematically destroy our knowledge systems and establish their own model of education. In this context, organizations such as Vigyan Bharati have contributed tremendously in trying to undo this damage. It is a matter of great pride to know that Vigyan Bharati has been graced by the presence of great scientists of modern India, such as Dr. Raghunath Musalkar, Earth Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Anil Kakadar, and many other eminent scientists. Vigyan Bharati, through its various programs and activities, is trying to establish a relationship between ancient science and modern science. It also has an important role in highlighting the Indian contribution to science. The World Health Organization has recognized our thoughts and contribution of spiritual well-being as an important component in defining holistic health as a combination of physical, mental, and spiritual state. For over hundreds of years, our nation has emphasized the combination and contribution of yoga and Ayurveda as a means of holistic health. Ayurveda is considered to help achieve Niramaya Sthiti which is the state of being without illness, while the benefit of yoga stands undisputed with the entire world reaping its benefits, it followed diligently. Our country has always emphasized that we must protect each and everyone. Every species, our natural resources such as water, land, vegetation, and all the grows in it. It is our duty and responsibility to safeguard and spread the traditional knowledge systems which have relevance even today after hundreds of thousands of years. Our former Prime Minister Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji gave the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. And this slogan brought Harita Viplab in the country. Another great leader and our former Prime Minister, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, gave us the slogan of Jai Vigyan after the landmark Pokhran test, which has created a sensation in the entire world. Because in spite of all the pressure and threat by all the big powers of the world, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the then Prime Minister, did not care for this threat and made these states without caring for them, saying that this I am doing for the interest of our country. And we have all rights, and we are not prepared to bow down before anybody when we are taking this test. And India declared India has now become an atomic power. With this one slogan, he hailed the science and scientists as real heroes, national building from ancient times till modern times. Our present Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has given us the slogan of Jai Anusandhan, orienting us towards self-reliance. These slogans are not mere words to be repeated, but these carry meaning strong enough to revolutionize our thoughts and safeguard the rich contributions. We need not make our country self-reliant in all walks of life, including Swadeshi spirit, to achieve an Atmanirbhar Bharat, as enunciated by our beloved Prime Minister. Let us work together to revive our past glory and make our country self-reliant in every domain. Thank you all. Jai Bharat, Jai Vigyan.